Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh. I welcome you to JoyGeeks. This is another video with Dr. Mittal, the psychiatrist, the doctor who has taken us through certain concepts in the earlier video. Thank you again, doctor, for coming. There are a couple of more things we need to discuss.
How to be productive in the current situation, doctor?
A small thing I'd like to say is that during the lockdown period, there is going to be a lot of anxiety also because you are stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. You feel that there's nothing much you can do. So there are three things that I'm suggesting anyone and everyone who's calling me regarding the same. One is have a routine. Okay. Every day have a routine. I know people have children, you can't abide to a routine with children, but still you can, have a broader aspect and a broad level of things you want to do in, throughout the day. Please make that happen. Don't just become lazy. Don't think that 21 days and then next 14 days, this is just time to relax and all. In your routine, there are three things that you need to have. One is you have a workspace at home. Okay, I know, we all live in flats. There's not too much of space. Have a very small space. It could be
dedicated to the work.
Yeah, only for your work. It could be a dining table, it could be a sofa, but just make sure that's your workspace and treat it like your workspace.
Right.
Second is that exercise. I have started learning yoga and started doing small yoga, though I'm quite fat and I still can't do half of the things. But, I'm still doing a lot of that thing. I'm exploring it, something I never thought of. But you need to exercise. And third thing is, please do communicate with each other.
Right.
Because you will never get this time again. This is the healing time. The earth is healing. Yeah. So the earth is healing. It's time to, heal ourselves. I've seen some amazing things happening over the last few days. I've seen people who were having really bad relationships who start healing because they started talking. I've seen daughter-in-laws and mother-in-laws bonding together. Okay, and these have been topics of contention. These have been topics where people have been fighting each other for a long period of time. Probably this break was needed. So
nobody's talking of these good things that have happened.
Nobody's talking.
Nobody's focusing on them. Yeah.
Nobody is, because everybody is focusing on the fact that what bad will happen.
Yeah.
Okay, so please disconnect from the bad. And as I said, have a schedule, have a small place where you work, exercise every day.
Yeah.
Eat well. Eat well.
Eat well. Everybody is doing that.
Yeah.
I think everybody is overeating right now.
So that's my point. Don't overeat it.
Yeah.
Eat well. And the most important point, take care of yourself and your image. Feel good. What I'm seeing is people in sweatpants getting, they're like, this is like, they look like they're gone in hibernation. Yesterday I was just talking to someone and we had a face call and I was like, not shaved in like 20 days. He's like, nahi, jab jayenge.
No, it does overall affect your mental space, right?
Because of that, it's very essential that you take care of yourself, physically also. So dress well. It doesn't matter. You're not going out, but dress well for yourself.
Correct. Yeah.
Feel well, and do the makeup stuff. Help you. Yes.
It does. It is. See, it may be very superficial, but there is no doubt that when you apply a lipstick, there is a certain feel-good factor to it.
There is. I'll give the example of my wife. So what happened? We had a really bad case. She's a gynecologist and IVF.
Okay.
She had a really bad case, and she was really upset. And with the case, and because of the lack of facilities right now, she can't just rush to the patient. She did her best. There was a lot of stuff happening. So she was at home. She was feeling a little down because no doctor likes to anything bad happening to the patient.
Right.
So I told her, why don't you focus on something and like this. She just started seeing a couple of videos, these makeup videos. She went and did her stuff. She came back. She was feeling great. She was like, okay, I feel nice. So please,
it does work.
Do something for yourself. And not only for the ladies, also for the men out there. please also take care of yourself.
Right.
It's very essential.
One of the top things that I believe is important to make your work productive is that you must get up in the morning, take a shower, dress up like you're going to work, and then sit on your work table.
Yes.
That makes a huge impact, right? If you're going to sit in your pajamas and, like you said, be unshaven, you don't feel prepared to... Actually, that's the reason Zoom calls are good, because then at least you're showing yourself to somebody.
Yes.
And
yes.
then
So
maybe
that's very important. It's been now 5 days since, my workload is a little less. But I make it a point every morning, I'm getting up at the same time. I pick up calls, or I'm on Insta, or I'm anywhere. I'm just, and as many people I can help or I can talk to, I do that. For just one simple thing that, you have to keep using your brain.
Yes.
You can't just sit lazy over there.
And I've been sneezing. I'm sorry. I have a little allergic cold reaction. This is nothing to worry about. I'm pretty used to it. It goes in a day. So we will continue with the conversation. Doctor, also I wanted to ask you, isn't it, as a means of distraction, it's great to have, series and movies and all that online. But isn't that also has a little con to it, because people seem to be really binging online? They don't have the time to exercise or to just look after themselves, but they are really binging online, which is also detrimental to their health, right?
Because now it has 3-4 aspects to it. One aspect is that, right now this is the best distraction available, because it's the only new thing for them to watch. Okay.
Right.
Most people don't have other things to indulge in. Okay.
They could develop their hobbies or do things that they hadn't done.
So, home is a place where you have so much work. If you start at, 8 o'clock in the morning, you could end up doing work till probably 8 o'clock next morning. But people are just sitting aside. So I don't suggest binge watching in any form, because it eventually increases anxiety.
Right.
And people are using it as a way to, escape and, to relieve the anxiety. They're using it as an anti-anxiety, which is not right. I would suggest do meditation for that. That's very essential. Apart from that, what's happening is that, because people are still in that adjustment phase and they have not fully adjusted to the lockdown. Some of them are just thinking of it as an extended weekend. And that's not right. Yeah. So 3 things, one is, this is a time where you can get addicted to so many things. Okay. Because the other addictions and other distractions are not there.
Right.
So one of them is binge watching or, social media. So please avoid that. Because binge watching or excessive social media will eventually, it works like a spring. It reduces the anxiety for a second, and then it comes up, in a bad way. Second is, this is the time which actually can destroy creativity.
Right.
So, because people who are not creative or who need creative work or who are just taking it lazy, they are letting go of a beautiful time to use and create new things, or, even let the creative ideas come out, because tasks are not being given. Okay. And third and final thing is, people are becoming very rigid. Okay, because of the anxiety that's there and the depression that's there, people are becoming very rigid. And because of the rigidity, they are either trying to interfere in some other's work, or they're trying to go, just micromanage things at home, which is leading to a lot of problems. Or they're, propagating unwanted ideas here and there. So instead of that rigidity, try and break that. And somewhere, somehow, all this social media and all is promoting that. So spend some time away from all this. It's very
so doctor, the key thing is to really be aware of how you are responding to the situation, right?
Yes. So
the self-awareness.
I would suggest, I think the Buddhist concept of mindfulness is the one that we right now have the best time to apply and to experience and to adopt into our daily lives. Where understand right now where you are, everything will be fine. There's no
and also be at the present moment.
Yeah, be at the present.
I just keep saying to all my followers who keep saying that, but what about this? I said, but I don't know anyway what. Even I had like major plans all through this year. I don't know only anyway ki kya hone wala, so I might as well take one day at a time. Just do what I know today. Abhi jo samajh mein aa raha utna karo, kal ka kal dekhi.
Kal ka kal dekhi. Kyunki see, it's live by the day, live by the moment. You don't know what's going to happen next, and nothing wrong will happen. Why should anything wrong happen? Why do you again, I'm a big believer in the secret and the law of attraction. I say that why do you even believe that something wrong will come to you?
Yeah.
Just keep believing that good will come, and good will come.
Yeah, people keep using that term also often, and they say कि इतने बार बोल रहे हो खुद आ जाएगा कि अरे मुझे बुलाया जा रहा है घर में ये वायरस को बुला रहे हैं मुझे इस घर में. Yeah.
भगवान आ जाता है तो वायरस ही है.
That was nice. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you for this chat. I'm sure my subscribers, would take a lot. Anybody who really has an issue and you want to get sorted out, you can please go and consult with your, the doctor who you can trust. Dr. Mittal is available. I will place all his Instagram handles and his email and whatever on super above in the description bar below. So I have consulted him many years ago, which is how I know him. And he was kind enough to come on to our channel and share his views to just handle this corona situation right now. Thank you so much again, doctor.
Thank you very much, Aparna.
Thank you. All right. So people who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have further questions. Please do it. And if you like this kind of series, I would like to continue making more of this and just help you in however, whatever way we can.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
If people want to talk on anything or they want, I would love to come back and, again have a session on anything. Okay.
That will be great. Thank you so much, doctor. All right, so it's up to you guys. Comment below and whatever it is. We've kept the chat pretty light today actually because doctor actually is dealing with a lot more deeper issues. When those kind of questions come in, we will take videos subject by subject. It could be whatever. This is a beauty and wellness channel, guys. So I do want to go out all the way and help you guys as much as I can. Thank you. See you.
Bye.